Okay, so we've got a Volkswagen Golf in today, 2005. So we're just going to show you what we found because we've just done our water leak procedures. So what we're going to focus on is in here you have the air vent behind the rear bumper, and as you can see there's dirt lines there of it leaking. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a bit of water down the back of the light here, just simulating it's out in the rain. So if we obviously put a load of water there and go on the inside, right, okay, so we can see that that's letting water through on the bottom there, and then what we're getting is we're getting this little puddle here. So that would be the driver's rear air vent. The passenger doesn't seem to be leaking. If we now just come over to the driver's rear membrane, we've put a lever tool down there. Just going to put a bit of water down the outside of the windows, just simulating it's raining. Now if we come on the inside, it should be coming out the bottom, which it is doing. So you can see it coming out the bottom, but if we look very closely, just need the camera to focus, there we go. So we're getting lines of water coming out from the door panel, so that would be the membrane which is leaking now. So that's obviously a leak, there we go. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to go over to the passenger rear door, and we'll show you what we found on that one.